Hi, my name's Kaeley with KPH and the Canary Collective, and I'm trying to look like Anna from Frozen 2. I do warn you that there are some Frozen 2 spoilers in this video.
Destroy the dam! Come on! Throw your boulders!
We need to help the orca whales, the salmon, and our fellow human beings. Treaty rights with First Nations communities are being violated by these dams ruining rivers. Activists are urging President Biden and Congress to remove the Snake River dams and invest in sustainable energy sources. It would actually save money and create thousands of jobs. Here's how you can help. Step 1. Draw a picture, create some kind of art celebrating orcas, salmon, rivers, and human beings, and take a picture of yourself with the art and post it on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Make sure to include the hashtag It's About Damn Time, DAM. Mail it in the mail to your member of Congress. Send it in the mail to President Biden. Also, sing along to this song by using headphones, and I will add your voices into a Canary Collective choir and orca-stra. Create your own version of the song or sing along with me. Ask someone to take a video of you and get the lyrics up on your screen, and the version of me singing this video will be your guide. And then I will put all of our voices together and we will send it out and make sure that voices for removing the dams are heard by the decision makers. But always, when you post it on social media, remember to use the hashtag It's About Damn Time.